Hi, this is Zach Anderson, and in this video I'm going to be going over problem number 5 of coding problem set 4, WordGame. So we have a note here, so note that in the function playHand there's a bunch of pseudocode. It's just kind of telling us why pseudocode should be important and why it can help. And then an important note here is to not assume that there will always be 7 letters in a hand, and the parameter n is just representing the size of the hand. So just saying that it'll vary, it's not going to be a hard 7 every single time. So let's head over to the code here and see what we did. So here we have the function playHand. It takes in 3 parameters of hand, word list, and n, each defined right here. So this set of instructions, this function is going to allow the user to play the given hand as followed. So the hand's going to be initially displayed. The user may input a word or a single period, which will be represented by this string, to indicate that they're done playing. So this is just like a break statement. Invalid words are rejected, and a message is displayed asking the user to choose another word. When a valid word is entered, it uses up letters from the hand. After every valid word, the score is displayed, and then the sum of the word scores is displayed when the hand finishes. And the hand finishes when there are no more unused letters or the user inputs. Here we have some pseudocode to help guide us along this code, just kind of corresponding to all of these comments above. So let's go through it. So first, in order to keep track of the total score, we need an empty variable. So we set score equal to 0. And then as long as there are still letters left in the hand, so this will be done by using a while loop. So while calculate hand length of your current hand is not 0, then we can display the hand, and then we will ask the user for an input, and this will be stored in the variable word here. This will be asking the user to enter a word using the provided letters that will be displayed on the screen. And as we saw above, if the word entered is equal to this string here, just a period, it will break the game. Otherwise, if the input is not a single period, then we need to check if the word is valid or not. So if the word is not valid, then we need to reject it and print a message followed by a blank line. So we just have a simple print statement of invalid word, please try again, and then we print an empty line here. Otherwise, if the word is valid, then we need to do a little bit of calculations. So we're telling the user how many points the word earned in the updated total score in one line followed by a blank line. Here we have the variable word score, which is calling the function getWordScore, passing in these 2 parameters. So the final score is the word score is being added to this score variable. So this is keeping track of the final score that we have, or the overall score that we have. And this print statement is the updated total score and how many points that word earned. So this will display what word the user entered, and then this will display how many points that specific word totaled. And then this final line will display our updated current score. And then based on all of this, we need to finally update our hand to continue moving forward. And to do that, we call the update hand function. Finally, when the game is over, whether it is the user entering a period or ran out of letters, we need to tell the user the final score. So we just have a simple print statement here saying that the total score was, and then we insert the score variable, points. Thank you.